guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to do this cool jade marble nail design. I have gotten a request for this design, so I hope you'll enjoy, and let's get started. So I'm going to begin by using a peel off base coat, and here I'm using UNT's Prepare for Takeoff peel off base coat. Now you're going to need a white, a dark green, and a light green. And starting off, you're just going to paint the nail a simple base color of white, and this will be the background for the design. Now next, because this design can be kind of messy, I'm applying some liquid latex around the nail. Then I'm going to take the dark green and the light green and just kind of drop on some blobs of it over the white. Then taking a plastic sandwich bag, I'm just going to press it over the wet nail polish and kind of twist it and squish it. And what this will do is make that marble design you can see. So here I'm just adding a little bit more white and dark green, and you can just add more of whatever colors you think it needs. So now I'm just going to peel off that latex and clean up the nail. And this is optional, but I'm grabbing some gold foil. I actually got it from like a chocolate wrapper or something, so it's pretty easy to find. I'm just using scissors and cutting that into small pieces, and then I'm grabbing some clear nail polish. And I like using clear polish for this purpose because it does not dry as quickly as top coat or base coat would. So I'm just going to place in those little pieces of gold foil, and that is what it looks like. It's a really cool design and pretty easy to do too. Let me know in the comments if you think you'll try this one out. Well, that is it for today, but if you're not, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed. But for my next video, I'm going to be doing another nail polish of the week episode. I do have a running series of those videos on my channel. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday at 3 p.m. EST. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this quick tutorial today. Do check below in my description. I have playlists of all my other tutorial videos if you're interested. Remember that a smile is the prettiest thing you can wear. So I hope to see you in my next video, and have a magical day.